Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys my skincare routine. It is currently around like 1 or 2 right now. But I just got back from the gym. That's you guys see this headband on me right now. And I'm wearing this sports bra. But yeah, let's just get started. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to use today and how I use it. So first I have this new Clean and Clear Morning Burst Hydrating Facial Cleanser. It's oil free. Then I have this Pods Anti-wrinkle Cream. Then I have my Proactiv skincare. I have the toner, and I have the repairing treatment. Now these skincare products did come with a cleanser, but I don't like the cleanser on my face, so I just stopped using it, and I only use the toner and the repairing treatment. And then I have these little cotton ovals that I got from Target that I use with the toner. And then I have washcloth. So let's get started. So I'm gonna wet my face first, and I clean my face with my hands. I do have a spin brush, but I don't really like using it as much. I stopped using it very recently because I feel like it's just a little too harsh on my face. So I'm just going to be using my hands, which I've been doing for the past like 2 weeks now. So let's wet my face. And I typically wet my face with cold water. Just for, I don't know, I just prefer it better than hot water on my face. Now, I do rinse my face with hot water or warm water. So I'm going to take about 3 pumps of this. And I like to focus more on my cheeks because I am breaking out a lot more on my cheeks now. But I do like to put it on my forehead. But I love the consistency of this, and it smells really good, guys. I don't know about you guys, but if you guys have this, it smells like blueberries to me. Which is weird because I don't really typically like blueberries too much. But I love this smell in this cleanser though. Like, this is bomb. And my forehead, typically I break out more there on my forehead, like really, really bad. But lately I just been getting it around this area right here, breaking out a lot more than my forehead, which is weird, but that's how I deal, I guess. Or that's how my skin is. So now I'm just going to rinse my hands. I typically don't do it for a long time. But now I'm going to take my washcloth and wet it. And I wipe my face off with the washcloth with warm water. And I'm going to do it one more time just to make sure I got everything off. And I like to kind of pat it a little bit. And I'm done with that. Now I'm going to take my Pause Anti-Wrinkle Cream and I'm just going to apply this under my eyes. So I just take like a small amount. But I'm not going to like rub it. I'm going to just dab it. Because one of my coworkers let me know that when you rub your finger, like you just go like this underneath your eyes, that causes wrinkles. So she said to pat. So I've been patting lately and I've been seeing a change. Obviously patting takes a lot longer, but not that bad, honestly. I don't mind it as much. My eyebrows look super bushy right now. I'm gonna turn this. Now that's on my eyes, under my eye. I'm going to take my toner in my little, I love the size of this, guys. Like, I don't know about you guys, but the size of this is like perfect for my face. Because I feel like my face is a little on the large side. But I just take it and I just squeeze it until I feel like I have enough, honestly. It's a big bottle, so I can use as much as I like. And I take that everywhere but under my eye. Because I already applied my product there. But this, I feel like every person should have a toner. A toner is amazing. I never used to use a toner before, but now that I have one, I love it. Like, it's just refreshing, honestly. And you don't necessarily have to get Proactiv. I just have some problem skin, or at least I did. And now the majority of it is like gone, so I'm pretty happy about that. And there we go. Still let it be. And now for the final step, I'm gonna take my the repairing treatment from Proactiv. And I do have a bigger bottle of this, but I don't know, I didn't grab it. So I'm take some of this and I'll apply it everywhere but under my eye again because I already applied something there, so I don't want to overdo it. And I'm just going to rub that in. I feel like this product right here has done a lot for my uneven skin tone because I used to be like extremely dark, like right here. Extremely. And I feel like it's evening that out just a bit. But I'm happy with it. And that is it for my skincare routine, guys. I really love how my face just like glows after I do this routine. Like, guys, gorgeous. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that bell button too so you guys get notified when I post a new video. Follow me on Instagram at Elora Monet, 2 T's, and follow me on Snapchat as well. I'm going to put the link in the description. I don't know why I forgot my own Snapchat name. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.